What is going on, guys? SSG here, coming at you with another video. Now before I get into this video, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, along with the notifications so you guys never miss when I upload a new video. In this video, I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how to make a floating thumbnail border, kind of like this one. Just wait for it to load up. And I actually got the idea to make this video from Sinu. If you guys haven't seen this video, I'll put a little image up on the screen, but this is basically what I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. Very simple, and it actually makes your thumbnails pop a lot better, a lot more, so people will click on the video and see how to make it. I'm actually just going to go into a different thumbnail. I'm going to be using this one. I don't know if I use this one or not. I think I did. If I did, I'll just go to the next one. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, so basically what you guys are going to do is you're going to want to make a new layer. Make an empty layer. I'm actually putting this off because I have to. Then you guys are going to want to take the selection tool and just select the whole thumbnail. And what you guys are going to want to do is you want to go to fillet and stroke and make sure to change the stroke. And then you guys can mess with this part, but I like to put mine at 35 XP. That's good. You guys want to deselect. And what you guys want to do is this is actually gonna make your thumbnail pop. You guys want to put it to multiply. Then what you guys want to do is you want to go into drop shadow. And you guys don't have to do this exact setting. You can put it to whatever you want, but I suggest you do it because it's what makes it look the best. You guys can put it 99.5, and then change the intensity to 66. You guys can do this about 2 or 3 times if you want. Just gonna do it twice. There you go, that's pretty much it. Very simple. There's actually a second way to do this thumbnail or the border, so if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I post all kinds of graphic design content on this channel. So yeah, if you guys like the show, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. SSG out.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time.